Hey there geeks, Tim with MajorGeeks.com. Today we're going to show you how to use DuckDuckGo as a default search engine in Chrome, Firefox, and Edge. They're all relatively easy to do. Let's get you through it, starting with what is the most popular browser on the internet, Google Chrome. So what we're going to do is we're going to want to click on the three dots in the top right corner and click on Settings. Right here. And Google Chrome actually makes it pretty easy. We're looking for search engine right here. And here is a search engine used in the address bar. And just click DuckDuckGo. You can also do manage search engines. You'll see this in Microsoft Edge as well. As you can see, here's all your search engines. So let's say you got something in here you don't want to use, like Yahoo. Just click these three dots right here. Click remove. I don't know what that is. Remove, and of course at any point in time just switch to make default. So if you change your mind, you can switch back to Google just like that and make default. There you go. Pretty easy to do, right? So let's take Google Chrome out of the picture. What do we got next? Looking like Firefox. Not much different, but a little different because it's not a Chromium based engine, obviously. So let's click into three rows instead of dots right here. And we're going to use that to open settings here. And we're going to look for search over here. Now you can see they're going to use two different options here. Address bar or put the search bar up here. Whatever you want to do. That's up to you. So I'm using the address bar. I don't know about you, but that's my personal favorite. But you can easily add the search right there. And here's your default search engine. Click on DuckDuckGo from the drop down here. And of course you can choose a few other options if you like. And same thing here. Now you see the blue check mark here. So let's say you want to take Amazon out. Let's take Bing out. Just click by that blue check mark and it's gone. eBay. See what I'm doing here? Oh, we don't want to do that. So you could actually cut it down if you want. So that's the only search engine you have. And once again, not too hard to do. You can restore it here. You can also click here and click remove, but it's easier just to do this because you can see I can re-enable them real quick, which is nice. It's well set up. I like it. Mozilla, I'll give you credit. That, or because Microsoft Edge and Google Chrome are so similar, this is just a little different. So it just, I like the way they do it though. And let's talk about Microsoft Edge. Something everybody has on their computer at some point. And this is, of course, the Chromium-based Microsoft Edge, as mentioned. So they buried a little bit deeper. What you can do is actually type in edge:// settings/privacy. And all these links will be in the video description below you if you need them. So you can copy and paste that or type it in. And you're there. But just for the point of showing you, let's click on what they call the hamburger icon, three dots. And we're going to click on settings as we have with the other browsers. They kind of hid it. I decided to do this by myself and just look for it. I'm like, where is it? It's under privacy, search, and services. Duh, didn't pay attention to the word search. I feel kind of dumb, but here we go. Scroll, 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 scroll. Till you find address bar and search just as far away as you could possibly find it. Come on, Microsoft. Nobody's using Bing. Sorry. There's Bing. Switch to DuckDuckGo just like the other ones. Drop down box, DuckDuckGo. Search on new tabs. This is interesting. You just saw it on Firefox. It's not going to give me both, so it's currently telling me the search box, but I want the address bar because, once again, I'm sure a lot of you people, when you want to search, you just start searching right here in the address bar. So I'm going to pick the address bar, but if you have the search box, you can use that as well. But I don't see a way to do both. And again, I like Microsoft Edge. I just don't like what they did with this. If I'm going to tear it apart, this would be one of the places. Now we got to go to a whole separate category here, manage search engines. So you click on the three dots as you're used to by now, and remove. Remove. And again, what I did like about remove. What I did like about Firefox is I had the ability to uncheck them, but still come back and get them back later if I change my mind. Otherwise, you got to do add on these, and now you got to have the information to put it in. So you may not want to remove those in most cases. Just get your default in place. But I want to give you the options. And that covers Microsoft Edge. So there you go, all 3 browsers in a quick 5 minutes. How to set DuckDuckGo, or actually any of the other search engines you might want, on Chrome, Firefox, and Edge. You know the drill. Bottom right hand corner, click subscribe. Thanks for watching as always. See ya.